Okay, so we're going to talk about a combination of the couple of things. One called the Triangle Sum Theorem, and the other one is the external angles theorem. These are two ideas that relate to triangles and how to find the sum of their angles. So, first one is this type of problem right here, where you have two known angles of a problem, but one is only kind of known because you only have an x, but you only know a number. Then you got an external angle, blah. This is a combination of the external angles theorem, as well as a supplementary angle idea in combination with the triangle sum. So what we know right here is a supplementary angle. This equals 180. So we know that x plus 10, that's the first one, plus the second one, 4x plus 30, equals 180. We know we can combine like terms here. X's combined with x's. Numbers combined with numbers. And we should be able to solve this. Subtract 40. Subtract 40. 5x equals 140. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. 20 and 8. 28. Right? Yes. X equals 28. Great. Now, with that knowledge, I can plug this guy in to there. What this means is that this whole angle right here equals 38. I said 28 plus 10, I got 38. This allows me to find this last angle. Why? Because Triangle Sum Theorem states all the angles added together equal 180. So 50 plus 38 plus y must equal 180. Again, I would suggest combine like terms. That gives you 88 plus y equals 180. You can now subtract the 88 from both sides, and you should get a final angle of 92. It also tracks from a relative size perspective. That's how you might use these to find the missing angles of a triangle when given an external angle. Now, again, I keep doing that. Didn't mean to. The other thing, this is the hardest version of this, is if you know this one, let's call this one 10x plus 30. Let's call this one 2x plus 50. And let's call this one 4x plus 30. I would love to say you can use the same thing. Find this missing angle right here and then solve. However, you end up getting into just an endless loop of stuff because you just don't know that missing angle. If you could say, oh, this is 180, great. So that's 10x plus 30 plus now another angle y equals 180. You have two variables now. I mean, while there's ways to maybe make some logical extrapolations and make some guesses a little bit, you can't really know for sure. So that method's not really going to work out. We got to find a different way. I'm going to think more logically and more reasonably about this thing. I'm going to call this angle right here angle A, this one angle B, this one angle C, and this one angle D. Let's pretend I meant the inside angle. So we have A, B, and C on the inside of the triangle and D on the outside of it. Okay, what do we know? We know that Triangle Sum Theorem states A plus B plus C equals 180. Right? We also know, because this is supplementary, that C plus D equals 180. There's something related here. What this means is that 180 is equal to C plus D. I can rewrite it this way. What this means is that since these are both equal to 180, they're equal to each other. Okay. Now, since C is on both sides, I can kind of forget it's there. And I can extrapolate that A plus B must therefore equal D. So that means this section right here, these two, equal this one straight away. So let's use that a little bit. Let's get rid of some stuff. Start with the mess. So I know that A and B, that's 2x plus 50, plus 4x plus 30, must equal the outside, 10x plus 30. Okay. This should set up an equation that we can solve. We can combine like terms. 2x, 4x makes 6x. Positive 50, positive 30 makes positive 80. Now I have 10x plus 30 on this side. And again, we've gone over this, but when we get to this point, we probably want to bring our x's to one side, our numbers to the other. That's not always going to be how you're going to do it in future algebra, but it's a good method for now. So I'm going to bring this 6x over to here by subtracting. So I have 4x over here. Bring my 30 over to here, again by subtracting. I get 50. Then I can just divide by 4 on both sides. So x should be 50 over 4, which I can make that a mixed number, I can make that a decimal, I can make that a whatever I need. I'm going to leave it improper for now, just because I'm feeling lazy. That should be how it works.